So it's Friday, 3rd of July. I'm back at work tonight, but we've still got another bit of cooking we need to do. So what we're making, June? Or what are you making, June?
Well, I can't say it. Cheerios.
Cheerio? Cheerio?
Is that on the same?
Churros.
Churros.
Are you making churros? So June's making churros.
Straight donuts.
So see how we go with these. We've got our fingers crossed because of the success of the corn dogs the other day. So we're hoping we're on a roll, aren't we? So let's get going.
Right, I've got the ingredients out and the recipe. It says do it in a saucepan over or, but I'm just gonna melt butter in olive microwave. Right, we've got all-purpose flour, which I presume is plain flour, salt, 2 eggs, butter, hot water, so I boiled the kettle 5 minutes ago to let it cool down, sugar for coating, and cinnamon, because you just sprinkle them with sugar and cinnamon, and kids like stuffed chocolate sauce to dip it in, so Gemma's got the knack of melting that in microwave to dip them in. Right, this is 100 grams of butter, 236 millimeters of hot water, but I'm not gonna put all that in there. Half a tablespoonful of salt, 140 grams of all-purpose flour, which I've said on plain flour. Add 2 eggs to this mixture. And then mix it all together. I just use one of these with some. I saved a bit of hot water just in case. You're better off putting less in first. And you're better off with batter being thicker than a bit more flour. Right, I've just added a bit more flour to it because that's about consistency you want it. Right, what I found best is pouring it in a decent jug with a decent V-shape pourer, because I've tried it with a piping bag and it's harder work than this, so just gonna add a mixture into.
So we've got a secret weapon for doing this because June doesn't like anything that's deep outside. So we've got a shop called Aldi in the UK, which every so often they do bargain things, and a few weeks ago they did churro maker, so we're only $14.99. Went everywhere trying to find one, and virtually all Aldis had sold out within a few hours of getting them, but we managed to find one that got one, so instead of having to deep fat fry and having to pipe it into that, which June didn't fancy and I didn't, we ended up getting one of these, so I'll show you that really quick. This is it. It came originally in October at Aldi's and they sold out, and then I was looking on Facebook and somebody put that they'd come back in about 2 weeks ago, so ran around every Aldi that we've got and I managed to find one. I was hoping to get one in red because they come in 3 colours, red, white and I think it's black. So hopefully it's going to make them like that. Got it turned on, get it warmed up. It does come with a piping bag for you to pipe it into the things, but as June said, June's already had a go while I was at work, and she finds it easier just pouring them in. $14.99, it was quite a good deal, because when we were looking at churro makers and online, they were like 40 odd pounds. It comes with a few recipes for different sauces and different things, which very good. So I'll hand you back over to June for stage 2.
Right, so he's been preheating. Spraying off, so first time I used it I did spray it with oil, but I found since that it didn't need spraying with oil, so I haven't sprayed it with anything, but it's first time I use it, let me do it. What you do is just pour it along. I find that you have to fill these up to get a good one. And you just put top down and just wait. I don't always go by green light when the that goes off, because you want them browner than. It says halfway through, flip the Cheerio maker 180 degrees over. Right, it says turn it over halfway through cooking so it gets an even cook through.
That's smelling nice. So all that ingredients, is how much is there? Is there enough for another 4 or just?
There's definitely enough for another 4. They had about 4 or 5 each last time. This kids like this. It's just from Lidl or Aldi, their version of chocolate Nutella spread. They like to melt it a bit in the microwave so it goes runny, so they can dip it in. So I'll just fill these little finger bowls of what we got from Asda. $50, Paul's favourite seconds, so I always put everything on 50 seconds. Right, so now open this up and see what they're like. You just have to be really careful doing this. And take them away and put. This is when I put sugar and cinnamon on.
Straight on them then.
Cinnamon. They are nice, I had some more about.
I'm going to try one. Really light. Cool down a bit. We'll try some.
Well, the ice is special, aren't they? They turned out nice.
Yeah. So we're still going to make another 4, but there, plates. Very nice. Mm-hmm. Charlie likes them. There, Charlie.
Yeah.
And another bite, so we'll see. So he's finishing them off while Joe makes the rest. So I'd definitely say if you like making them, that's an easier way of the deep fat frying them.
Paul's right with machine that you flip it over halfway and it does make a difference. The dough.
We've done 2 successful cooks, haven't we? I could eat corn dogs and them Churros again, so
Well, I'm going to make some more.
back at work for about another 2 weeks now non-stop. So I'll just dream about them when I'm at work. I don't know, June might surprise me and put some in a packet one day. Surprise me. So you enjoyed that. We'll see you when we next see you in Cooking with June.
Bye.
Bye.